Assalamualaikum. My name is Khajra Hussain. Today we have our presentation and topic of presentation is financial technology, innovation disrupting traditional financial services in Pakistan. So starting presentation with brief introduction. What is fintech और what it means? फिनटेक एक वर्ड है जिसको हम फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेट करते हैं. फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी मीन्स पैसे की लेन और देन को और इजी कर देना. पहले के ज़माने में और अब भी यही होता है. जब हम बैंक में जाते हैं तो कोई भी पैसे लेना या देने होते हैं तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का काम होता है. स्लिप फिल करनी है होती है, लेनी होती है, डिपॉजिट करना होता है, डिपॉजिट स्लिप लेनी है एंड देन उसको भरनी है. इस सारे प्रोसेस को इजी करने के लिए फिनटेक आ गया मार्केट में. उसमें क्या होता है, जो भी बैंक है, अब हर बैंक अपना वहाँ जाना है तो अच्छी बात है, मगर अगर आप वहाँ नहीं जा सकते तो उस बैंक की एप्लीकेशन को इंस्टॉल करके तो हम कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शंस कर सकते हैं. दैट्स मीन्स फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी. मीन्स क्विक प्रोसेस. मीन्स थ्रू दिस टेक्नोलॉजी यू कैन डू ट्रांजेक्शन्स इजीली. किसी को भी पैसे दे सकते हो, मंगवा सकते हैं. What does fintech consist of? So इसमें डिजिटल लेंडिंग ऐप है जिसमें पीयर टू पीयर लेंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स, मोबाइल बैंकिंग होती है. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट पिलर्स ऑफ दिस टेक्नोलॉजी इज क्रिप्टो करेंसी. मीन्स अगर क्रिप्टो करेंसी कभी इस ऐप के थ्रू बाय की है तो वो भी इसी में आता. मीन्स यू ऑल्सो द पावर ऑफ फिनटेक. ओके, मूविंग टूवर्ड्स इम्पोर्टेंस. अगर हम फिनटेक की इम्पोर्टेंस पर देखें तो फिनटेक बहुत क्रिटिकल रोल प्ले कर रहा है. सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फिनटेक आर फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन, एक्सेस टू क्रेडिट, डिजिटल पेमेंट्स एंड एफिशिएंसी एंड इनोवेशन. अगर हम फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन को देखें तो फिनटेक कंपनीज आर प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज मीन्स जिसमें मोबाइल बैंकिंग, डिजिटल वॉलेट्स एंड माइक्रो फाइनेंस टू इंडिविजुअल्स हु वर previously excluded from the formal financial system. Okay, moving towards to access credit is about that. Online lending marketplaces means वो business को easy और quick कर रहा है without the need for traditional bank loan. But okay, thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum, this is Mohit now, and in continuation of what my friend started, I'll further discuss the revolution that changing the way we think about financial services in Pakistan. अगर हम अर्ली स्टेजेस पर जाएं तो फाइनेंशियल सर्विस हम देखें पाकिस्तान में जिस तरीके से होती थी ना वो काफ़ी बिजनेस पर्सन के लिए मुश्किल होती थी. काफ़ी टाइम टेकिंग होती थी, हर्डल्स आते थे, सिक्योर भी नहीं थी. बट जैसे कि हम आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी आती जा रही है, तो हम एक वर्ड को हम जानते हैं फिनटेक, जिसकी फुल फॉर्म है फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि रेफर्स करता है इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ फाइनेंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इट डिस्ट्रप्टिंग ट्रेडिशनल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इन एक्साइटिंग वेज. Fintech innovation are using technology to make financial services faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Let's break down it into four key areas. Number one, digital payments. Second, lending. Third, investment. And the last, insurtech. I will now focus on the theory, and then my friend Halar will discuss their impact and reach within the country. First of all, I will like to move toward the digital payments. We all are familiar with cash, but digital payment are changing the game. Digital payment include like mobile wallets, like JustCash, EasyPesa, online banking, and card payments. These innovations allow us to make transactions quickly and securely without the need for physical cash. अब कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए आपको फिजिकल कैश की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कोई भी अपना बिजनेस रन करने के लिए आपके पास ये मीडियम्स है, हम इन्हें यूज़ करके विद इन अ सेकेंड अपनी पेमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, किस कहीं से भी बैठ के किधर भी. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज lending. Traditional lending can be slow and often require collateral. But fintech innovation like peer-to-peer lending and digital credit platform are changing this. अब हमें नीड नहीं है कि हम किसी को ज़मानत के लिए बुलाएं. काफ़ी टाइम टेकिंग पीरियड था. जब से फिनटेक इनोवेशंस आई है इन्होंने इसको भी ईजीएस्ट कर दिया है. अब मैं मूव करता हूँ थर्ड वन पे, विच इज़ इन्वेस्टमेंट. Investing in stock market or other asset can be intimidating, but fintech innovation are making it more accessible. Online trading platforms like PSX and invest in finance securities, which allow us to buy and sell share with ease. एंड इन इदारों में जैसे कि जो ये पी एस प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, इधर हमारे पास काफ़ी गाइडेंस के लिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे एजेंट्स भी हैं जो कि बिजनेस पर्सन के लिए काफ़ी आसानी पैदा करते हैं, उन्हें गाइड करते हैं। तो ये टेक्नोलॉजीज आने की वजह से काफ़ी ये बिजनेस लाइफ में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट आई है इस इनोवेशन से। एंड नाउ आई विल लाइक टू मूव टूवर्ड द लास्ट विच इज़ इंश्योरटेक। व्हाट इज़ इंश्योरटेक? इंश्योरटेक बेसिकली दो वर्ड्स का मजमा है जिसको कहते हैं इंश्योरेंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। It helps customers to improve their experiences, simplify policy management, and increase competition. And the benefit of InsurTech is to prevent fraud, reduce risks, increase their margins, and improve profitability. InsurTech innovations like digital insurance marketplaces and online policy management platforms are simplifying the process, but it can be complex and expensive. Platform like EFU Jubilee allow us to compare and buy insurance policy online. Insurance is an essential part of financial planning. To conclude with fintech innovations are disrupting traditional financial services in Pakistan, offering faster, cheaper and more accessible solution which I told you above. Digital payments, lending, investment, and insurtech are just a few examples of how technology is changing the financial landscape. As we move forward, I will now hand over to Halal to discuss the statistical analysis of fintechs in these areas. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Halar Khan. Now I am here to talk about something exciting, fintech innovation in Pakistan. In the next few minutes, we will explore how technology is changing the way people manage their money. Let's start with mobile wallets, perhaps the biggest fintech story in Pakistan. Imagine depositing cash, paying bills, even shopping online, all from your phone. That's what Easy Pesa and JazzCash allow you to do. Even if you have a basic phone and no bank account. In 2023, a survey showed JazzCash as the leader with 56% market share, followed by EasyPaisa at 32%. This shows how popular these wallets have become. Did you know the number of mobile wallets accounts in Pakistan has drastically increased from 53 million in 2020 to over 107 million in 2023? That's almost 1 in 5 adults in Pakistan having a mobile wallet. Next, let's talk about digital lending platforms. Getting a loan traditionally involves banks and a lot of paperwork. But now fintech companies like Ncred and SadaPay offer loans based on your mobile phone usage instead of just bank statements. This makes it easier for people who might not have a traditional credit history to borrow money. They offer personal loans, business loans, even micro loans. The digital lending market is growing fast with over rupees 100 billion loaned in 2022. Fintech is also changing how people invest. Digital investment platforms like Khadim Ali Shah's Bukhari, KSBK Trade application, and RF Habib Limited AHL Tick Next Generation app and Zindagi app allow you to invest in stocks and other financial products easily from your phone. These platforms even consider your risk tolerance, goals to suggest investment. The market size for digital investment is estimated at rupees 500 billion and is growing at 25% each year. Insurance is another area being driven by fintech. Companies like HBL Digi Insurance and Tejas Financial Services now offer online options to get insured for things like your car, health. In fact, 15% of the insurance market is already digital. Finally, even traditional banks are getting in on the action. Now almost every bank have user-friendly mobile apps, just like HBL's apps, HBL Mobile. These apps allow you to manage your accounts, pay bills, do online transactions anytime or anywhere. So as you can see, fintech is making financial services in Pakistan more accessible, convenient and affordable for everyone. From mobile wallets to digital lending and investing, fintech is changing the way people manage their money. Thank you for your time.
Now then, last but not the least, this is Hadi Hassan and I'll finish what my friends have just started. As discussed by my friends in details, fintech innovations are transforming the financial landscape in Pakistan. But what's next? The future outlook for fintech in Pakistan is very exciting and full of potential. Grow. Let's have a look at it. The first one in the list is increased adoption. As more people gain access to smartphones and the internet, we can expect to see even greater adoption of fintech services. Since majority belongs to rural areas, a huge potential is on the brink. Number 2. Regulatory support. The State Bank of Pakistan and other regulatory bodies are taking steps to support fintech growth, such as introducing sandbox, regulations, and innovation hubs. Next one is new business models. Fintech innovations have continued to disrupt traditional financial services, leading to new business models and revenue streams. Hence, we can expect anything in future from fintech. Financial inclusion. Fintech has the potential to reach the undeserved and unbacked populations, increasing financial inclusions and reducing poverty at a great level. Next one in the list is collaboration and partnerships. We can expect to see more partnerships between fintech startups, traditional financial services and technologies companies such as Payoneer and JazzCash have shook hands to support the freelancers. So we can expect to see more of such hands to be shook between the digital companies to support the general consumer. Moving on to our last heading, conclusion. In conclusion, I can say that fintech innovations are disrupting financial traditional services in Pakistan, offering faster, cheaper, and more accessible solutions. The future outlook seems to be bright with increased adoption, regulatory support, new business models, financial inclusion, and collaboration on the horizon, as we just discussed. As we embrace this revolution, let's remember that fintech is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about creating financial solutions that serve the needs of individuals, businesses, and communities. Thank you for joining us on the discussion into the world of fintech in Pakistan. Let's work together to shape the future of financial services and create a more inclusive, efficient, and innovative financial ecosystem for all.